Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna about the topic IKC International Kangaroo Science Contest 2018. Now let's start. First, MCQs. The apple and the rose have the following common features. Number A, have the seed with the cotyledon. Use the oxygen to produce food. The fruit is formed from the ovule. They have petals that attract insects. They have chloroplast in the root cells. First of all, you know that apple develop from the thalamus. That is why it is referred to as a false fruit. False fruit. Example, false. False fruit. Strawberry, pineapple, mulberry, apples, pears, etc. These all are the false fruit. The name of the plant family that apples and rose belong family is Rosaceae, cup-like, shape with 5 petals and oval leaves. This is all about for your general knowledge. So the point is that the apple and roses have the following common features. The correct answer is D. They have petals. They have petals that attract the insects. Second one, which of the following statement about the states of matter is true? As you know that liquid, gas and solid. Liquid have fixed shape? No. There are strong repulsive. Repulsive mean repel ho jana between the particles of solid substances. The particles of liquid substances are very close to each other and they are arranged in order. Gases have no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Liquid can be compressed easily. So the correct answer is that D. Solid, liquid and gas. The correct answer is about the D. As you know that solid have fixed shape and volume. Liquid, fixed volume, no fixed shape. Gases, no fixed shape or volume. Number third, select the false statement about photosynthesis. It represents the feeding mode of Euglena and Spirogera. It is at the base of ecosystem because it produces nutrients. It takes place in the chloroplast of the plant cells. It takes place in the body of the field mushrooms. The produced substances are stored in the vacuole. The correct answer is D. It takes place in the body of the field mushroom. Number 4. The shadow of an object. What is shadow? Shadow are formed because light travels in a straight line. As you see in this picture also, light travels in the straight line. So the correct answer is number 4, A. Resembles means to be like or similar. To be like or similar, my dear. The correct answer is A. Through photosynthesis, we get useful substances and accommodates for human consumption. Select the association between plants and organs and their utility. Number 1, potato, human nutrition. Leaves of dog rose, medicinal plant. Flax stems, leaves of cauliflower, human food, fern flowers, decorative plant. In this picture, you can see the cauliflower. Leaves of cauliflower or of human food. This is the correct answer. Which of the following is a non-renewable energy resource? Wind energy, fossil fuel energy, solar energy, tidal energy, hydroelectric energy. The correct answer is fossil energy. Number 7, the unicellular green alga that has a flagellum and feeds only through photosynthesis is Chlamydomonas. Number D is the correct answer. Okay, in 6 point, renewable and non-renewable main difference. Resources cannot be depleted over time in renewable. Non-renewable means resources depleted over time. Depleted हम यूज क्यों कर रहे हैं? DEPLETED. Depleted means to reduce, खत्म कर देना. Something in size or amount. So non-renewable means resources depleted over time. The correct answer is B. If we want to see over a wall, we use a telescope, kaleidoscope, magnifying glass, periscope, and microscope. Periscope. A periscope is an optical device for conducting observations for a concealed or protected positions. Periscope consists of reflecting mirrors or prism at opposite ends of tube container. This is about periscope. What is telescope? Telescope is a tool that astronomers use to see for object दूर से. Kaleidoscope is used as a toy for entertainment. So the correct answer is question number 8. The correct answer is D. Periscope. Number 9, in the body of which of the following organisms do photosynthesis and breathing takes place? The orchid and the green blue mold, the mushroom and the rendered lichen, the tulip and the silver, the white and mold, the apple, the orange tree and the amoeba. Question is that which of the following in the body of which of the following organisms do both photosynthesis and breathing takes place? White mold and apple. So the correct in this picture you can also see the white mold and apple. 8th D. Which number 10, which group is unable to hear each other? Most important point, which group 2 astronauts on the moon, a group of children in an open room, a group of dolphins in oceans, a group of birds in a forest, a group of tourists at the North Pole. अच्छा, अब 2 astronauts on the moon क्यों नहीं सुन सकते एक दूसरे को? Because there is no medium of for sound to propagate. The correct answer is A. Number 11, the plant with sexual multiplication whose reproductive organs are represented by flower and seed but does not have fruit is fern, pine, bean, wheat, lichen. Okay, sometimes ये भी क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि wheat को हम ट्राइटिकम एस्टिवम कहते हैं. Wheat scientific name is Triticum aestivum. A pine tree is not a flowering plant. So the correct answer is B. Because they do not meet the botanical definition of a fruit. Twelve, a rectangular sheet of aluminum foil is heated as a result of that. First of all, listen carefully. When the temperature of aluminium is increased, the metal expands, and this is called thermal expansion. Again, I am repeating, when the temperature of aluminium is increased, the metal expands, and this is called a thermal expansion. When aluminium foil is heated, it will change its shape and start to emit a gas. अब वो गैस को हम क्या कह रहे हैं? Aluminium oxide. So, question is that a rectangular sheet of aluminum foil is heated as a result of that. किस वजह से? The answer is C. Its sizes increases. Number 13, the animal that has poorly developed circulatory system but has only its body air carrying canals. Spider have an open circulatory system. Their hemolymph is also found flowing freely throughout the body. The correct answer is B. Spider. Number 14. Which of the following is not an elastically deformed object? Elasticity means the ability of an object or material to resume its normal shape after being stretched or compressed. So, the correct answer is a heated iron bar hit by a hammer. Number 15, the component of the eye structure through which we can clearly see objects located at a different distance is lens, E. If any question you may ask. Number 16, about the process electrical charging by conduction, we can say that it occurs when a body is brought in contact with a textile material. It occurs when a neutral is brought to Neutral body is brought in contact with another charged body. It causes the electrification of the objects brought in contact with different electrical charges. It causes the repelling of two bodies, one neutral and the other electrically charged, which are brought in contact. Number E, it causes the electrification of the neutral body and neutralization of the one initially charged. So the correct answer is B. It occurs when a neutral body is brought in contact with another body. B. So any question you may ask. Good luck in your exams. परेशान नहीं होना. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.